Greetings, Santa Clara law students and alums. My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm going to be speaking at your school on April 1st, 2015 about how to use social media effectively in your professional career and how there is more than one way to be a successful lawyer. I graduated from law school in 2011, and I've built a successful practice in Arizona mostly because I ignored traditional advice about how to build a legal career. And since then, I've become an author. I started my own practice and just have made it work by doing what made sense to me. So I'm excited to come and share some of my knowledge and experiences with you. So your career services office asked me to field a special question just for you guys before I come to town. So here it is. When I think of millennials who are using emailing, texting, and networking behind a computer screen, I realize that engaging in personal interactions and networking is a mystery for them. Could you address why in-person professional networking is important, what it is, and how to do it? All right, thanks for the question. So I'm a huge fan of social media networking. It's a great way to start and continue conversations with people. I find it much easier to use than sending that awkward email to someone where you just say, "Hi, I think you're cool." It's not really a conversation starter. I have sent that email, I've received that email, so I'm not dissing you if you do that. But social networking is more like being in an online cocktail party where you just have to watch the conversations that are going on and jump in when you have the opportunity. But whenever possible, you want to bring those conversations from the online world into the real world and have that in-person interaction with somebody, because one, it usually makes for a lot better conversation. You can only say so much in 140 characters, or if you're texting back and forth. And when you have a real in-person conversation, it's much more rich. You become much more memorable. And you just develop a stronger relationship with those people. So whenever possible, if it's someone who lives in your community, ask if you can come by for a 15-minute conversation, or ask them to coffee or lunch or something like that. If it's somebody who's not in your neighborhood, but they're coming to town, or you're going to be where they are, make an effort to get to see them in person. It makes for a stronger relationship with them. And it's not rocket science. That's part of what I'm doing as part of my tour. This is giving me the chance to speak to law students that I normally don't get to see, lawyers, and other social media movers and shakers. By leaving Phoenix and coming to California, Oregon, and Washington, I get to see a much broader audience, and that's part of what I'm going to be doing. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I'm really excited to be speaking at Santa Clara University on April 1st. Check with your career services office for room and time. I think it's sometime in the afternoon, around noonish. So I'm really excited to see you all there. And if you have any questions that you want to shoot me in advance, feel free to send me an email. I'll leave my email address below. And with that, I will catch up with you later and see you in California. Take care.